Welcome back to the channel. Today the road takes us to Monterey, California. We're at the Monterey State Historic Park, Customs House Plaza. This was the first capital of California, Alta California. It was the first place in California the American flag was flown. It has the oldest theater in California, the oldest continuing use building in California, the oldest brick building in California, all in this one little area. So let's check it out. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, give us a like, give us a comment, give us a follow. Helps the algorithm, helps us grow as a channel. So let's check out Monterey Historical State Park. So it's not exactly jumping today, but we'll check it out. All these buildings have cool little plaques on them, let you know what they were. Rosario Dawson's house introduced salmon trolling to Monterey Bay. Oh look, it's Thomas Cole's house. English Sawyer built this home in 1856. Became the headquarters of the Nationalist Chinese political party in the 1940s. They do offer docent-led tours, but unfortunately not today, so we're on our own. We have the Pacific House open today. Let's go check out the Pacific House. Oh, hello, little bird. I am a big fan of the mission style, which is all around here. Koi. Just give some history of all the houses and the people of the area. What is a presidio? A fort. So basically we're learning about all the people who built all of the houses in the area. William Tecumseh Sherman. This is cool. They have Braille at all of the exhibits. Andres Pico. I'm in Whittier, next to Pico Rivera, where Pio Pico lived, the last governor of Alta California.
I want to see this shopping mall with owls. That's super interesting right there. Wow. Amazing.
So for an aspirin,
Willow bark. For an aspirin, willow bark. Look for a brush. They also had, maybe don't have to do the same for a brush. Willow bark. Swing.
Each smooth strand is separated from its outer bark. Then the strands are bundled together and dried for several months. Later they are soaked in water, then carefully scraped and trimmed.
All the things that we use, and all the things that the early people used. Willow bark as aspirin. Yeah, try that.
this is from the site close by here. We created.
Depending on the size and complexity of
What do you think about, right?
the process,
We take things for granted.
Very cool.
Yeah.
All the things they've dug up here. Whale bones. There was a whaling station here. Pacific House, that's where we're in right now. Constructed during the American occupation of Mexico, California. Got ourselves a grizzly bear. And I guess the grizzlies are returning to California for the first time in a long time. They're going to let them back in, stop hunting them. That was interesting. A lot of stuff, especially if you have little ones with you. Give some history of the area, of all the buildings, of the indigenous people who lived here. A lot of gardens and flowers here. It's kind of cool. Next week they're having Monterey classic car show and auction here. So there's a lot of people, a lot of state parks people out here getting ready for that. That's why all the trucks are about. One thing about me you probably don't know is that when I'm not doing this, I teach high school theater and stage tech. And so this next building is kind of cool to me. It is California's first theater. Over there across the street. Gonna cross really quick. Right here, it was set up, built as an army barrack in 1844, and then in 1848, some soldiers from New York wanted to put on some shows, so they converted part of this to a theater. First theater in California, 1848. See if we can see inside some of these windows. Here's the big empty room. You can see in there. See a ghost looking back at me. So this big part is the theater. And the little part next to it was the original barracks. I'm not sure if it's still used for shows or not. Let's go see if it says anything at the door. Guess we can't go that way. Other theater lovers down there taking some pictures. So, all this is the theater. This is the original building about 4 years earlier. You can see there's a bar in there now. This is the old part. Over there, behind that wall is where the theater is. Also, if you're ever down here, and you love a good trolley, they have a free trolley that goes, the trolley goes here and goes down to Fisherman's Wharf and the aquarium. Who loves a good trolley? Alright, so last time, this 1844, the original barracks, 1848, the theater. First theater in California. Let's go down to the customs house. So this is the old customs house, built in 1827. It's California's oldest government building. The state's first landmark. And in 1846, on July 7th, the American flag was flown over California for the first time right here. Let's go check it out. These are old adobe bricks with handprints in them. Just had a cool interaction in there. So there's part of the exhibit in there was about how Chinese helped build a lot of California, and there are some old artifacts in Chinese, and a gentleman was in there translating a bunch of the artifacts for the park rangers, and they're actually taking notes. That's kind of cool. Well, that's it for today. There are a lot more buildings throughout Monterey, but they're not all in the central area. That's all we're going to see today. Hope you enjoyed this. If it's your first time, please like, please subscribe, please comment. And we'll end it by looking at some beautiful boats. Look at that. It's like a puzzle. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time when we see where the road takes us.